Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kumar from EnglishWise Perth again. Today we have another successful student, Asmita. Asmita has got her result very quickly by following our 10-day of journey here in EnglishWise Perth by attending the 15 days of course. And her desired score was 65 for the APRA registration, but she has got 73. I will congratulate Asmita. And could you please, Asmita, will you share your experience with our other students while attending the course here in EnglishWise Perth? How did you feel? The classes, our portal, and all these things which we have provided you during attending the course. Could you please share your experience?
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Kumar. With your help and guidance, I got my desired score, and the environment here was so good and comfortable. You can come whatever time you want to practice and attend the class. And I attended your strategy class, Dr. Kumar, and after that I feel so good and easy. I hope it will be easy for the other student as well. And the portal we use here was similar to real PTE. And I did mock test, and after mock test I got a feedback and one-on-one session as well. And Dr. Kumar gave me a feedback after the mock test and where I need to improve and what is the good point for me. And I follow the feedback what he gave me with my 100%. That's why I got my desired score. And I want to say once again thank you, Dr. Kumar, and thank you, EnglishWise Perth.
Congratulations once again, Asmita, and God bless you.
Thank you.